What's up, y'all? So today is what today is? Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. I haven't been doing much today. Your girl worked out. Explains the hair looking crazy, just looking crazy in general. Hair appointment is on Friday. Yeah, so a few days I have to rock with this little raggedy bun. But anyways, I went to Ulta yesterday, and then I also went to Sephora a few days ago. So let me show you the things I got. I feel like the last couple vlogs I've been going to Ulta and Sephora a lot, but it's only because either I really needed something. This time around, yesterday, I had a gift card for Sephora and Ulta. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm finna see what I could get. So let's start with Ulta. I got some lip glosses that are in my purse. I'm gonna go get them. But let me show you the two things I have in front of me. So first, I got me some Nair Sensitive Formula. I'm gonna start using these on my legs because I'm just tired of buying razors. Like, I don't mind shaving my underarms. I think I will stick with shaving my underarms, but when it comes to my legs, like, I'm getting tired of buying razors. Like, I want my razors to last, so I think I'm just gonna only buy razors to shave under my armpits, and then curly I get waxes for Miss Ma'am down there, so I don't need to worry about that. But yeah, I'm just getting tired of buying razors, so I think we're gonna try Nair. Hopefully, I've tried Nair like some time ago and it didn't disappoint me, so we're gonna go back to that. I think I'm gonna do that when I get in the shower in a minute. I also got me Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Oil. Can we focus here? There we go. I actually didn't get this at Ulta. I was gonna get it at Ulta. They sell it at Ulta, but they only had one left, and it was real sticky and looked like it'd been used. So I was like, I'll just go to Walgreens and get me another one. Go get me one. And y'all, this don't even smell that bad. Like, I was looking for a body oil because after I put on like my body butter from Fenty or just like any type of lotion, I want to follow it with some oil, because you know we trying to be a glazed donut all summer 2022, just in general. But since we showing more skin in the summertime, I just want my body to look nice, moisturized, and shiny. So I bought this oil, and I watched this other YouTuber that uses it, and she really likes it, and it was only like $11. So I was like, oh yeah. And it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell like, you know how oil smells, and I don't like the way oil smells, but this has like a little, it smells like oil, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't smell like the regular oil smell. Like, it has a little smell good, I guess you would say. It smells a little bit good. So yeah, I'm excited about both of these. I'm gonna use them once I get out of the shower. Let me go grab the lip glosses I had bought as well. I'll be right back. The lip gloss, I got two NYX lip gloss. You know, NYX got the lip gloss formula down packed. So I got this NYX, what is this? This is Milky Gloss. There we go. This is how it looks. So I swatched it on my hand. I'm not gonna swatch it right now because it's very new, but I swatched it on my hand. It was kind of giving NYX Butter Gloss Fortune Cookie, kind of around the same color. So I was like, oh yeah. And you know, NYX is like, you just need a cheap lip gloss, because I know for myself, it's been a bit hard keeping up with my Fenty lip gloss, because that's like my only real expensive lip gloss. Other than that, we stick with NYX. I think I got like 3-4 lip glosses around here of NYX. Like, and if I lose one, that's fine, because it's only $5. But Fenty is like $20. So I just try to keep that in my purse, and I just try to keep it in one place. Anyways, and then I also got the NYX Butter Gloss. This is just a clear one. Y'all, I already am a fan of NYX Butter Gloss. So I was like, they came out with a clear. I bet this is bomb. I don't want to put it on since I'm about to wash my face. So yeah, those are the couple of things I got from Ulta. Let me show you guys what I got from Sephora. So here she is. So from Sephora, they had a 20% off, only one-time use. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm finna tap in. So I got the Sephora makeup setting spray. This is how it looks. It has really good reviews on their Sephora website. It's 16 hours, transfer proof, sweat and humidity resistance, which is what we need. Hopefully this is just as good as the Morphine one. But this was only like $10, so I was like, that's fine. I don't wear makeup too much anyway nowadays. And then I also got this Super Berry Hydrate Plus Glow Dream Oil by Youth to the People. This is how it looks. Oh, my camera's about to die. This is how it looks. I just needed like a glow after I put on my moisturizer and my sunscreen, because I don't know, I feel like after a while my sunscreen and my moisturizer dries, and then my face just looks very dull, like the glow goes away. And so I really want to be, like I said, I want to be really glowy this summer. So hopefully this gives me like a glow after like a glow for a long period of time after I put on my moisturizers. And then the last thing I got, now you know, if they throwing 20% off, baby, I'm buying me some perfume, because anytime they have a sale, oh yeah, I'm getting me some perfume, because Sephora and Ulta never have sales on perfume. So, or at least never have coupons for perfume. So I'm like, okay, whenever they got that, I'm gonna buy me some perfume. So I had got, so for one, okay, yeah, so I had got the, I'm gonna just be quick because my camera's about to die. I got the My Way Giorgio and Armani Intense. The regular one, not a fan of. The Intense is what got me. And y'all, this one smells so good. I let my mom wear it last night when we went to dinner. It's very long lasting, which we love that. So this is how the bottle looks. And this is 1.7 ounce. Yeah, y'all. This just smells real grown and sexy. But yeah, y'all, I'm really excited about that. I'm about to put that in my collection. You know, I keep my perfume in boxes. Until I get me a little perfume stand, they're staying in boxes. So anyways, y'all, I'm about to do some self-care. Like I said, I'm gonna try this Nair. I might do a face mask. I also gotta shave my little mustache here. Yeah, it's getting a little hairy. So yeah, y'all, I guess I'll check in with y'all, I guess, once I charge my battery. What's up, y'all? So today is Tuesday and your girl is getting her lashes done. So I have like 2 on this eye, maybe like 4 or 5 on this side. I've been trying to take them off, cannot take them off or nothing. And I didn't want to pull my lashes out, so I was just like, let her work her magic and take them off. So anyways, I'm sitting here waiting. My appointment's at 3:30 and it is 3:22. So I guess I will check in with y'all once we get these lashes done, and then I get my hair done on Thursday. So yeah, we just getting all back to normal, because I've been looking crazy for like 2 weeks now. And I'm glad my lash tech is back, because she was on vacation. That's why it took so long to get my lashes done. And now she's back. I'm hoping she don't leave for anytime soon. So anyways, I will be back. So y'all, it's been a couple days, but I wanted to show y'all my lashes. Look how full they are. Love them. So as you can see, I don't walk out this house with my hair like this unless it's for a reason. The only reason that will be is if your girl's getting her hair done. So I'm on my way to get my hair done. So yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing on this lovely Thursday. I had to work this morning. Now my appointment's at 5 o'clock. It's 4:55. I got 5 minutes to get there. I should get there in 5 minutes if these lights stop playing with me. But anyways, yeah, so I'll just check in. I'll just check in with y'all once we are done. All right, y'all, so here's the hair. And y'all see me wearing sunglasses? Y'all like? Cause I'm trying to be a sunglasses girl. Like, I got 5 pairs of sunglasses and baby, I don't wear now 1 pair. I just don't think to put them on. But I want to become a sunglasses girl because it just gives you a look, makes you look cute. You know what I mean? So, anyways, y'all, I'm headed home. Nothing more exciting to talk about. So, I'll catch y'all at home. I also stopped at Crumble. Let me show you guys the flavor I got for the week. The only flavor that I like this week, which is basically like a Oreo flavor cookie. Anything Oreo, Jill likes it. I don't really, yeah, I like Oreo ice cream. Anything pertaining to Oreo, it's a hit, period. It did have other flavors, but I wasn't really a fan. It's not that I wasn't a fan, it wasn't appealing to me. So I was just like, I'm not gonna, you know, buy a platter of cookies that I don't really like. Especially since we're trying to watch the calories. I'm like, let me just stick with one. Now we're home, so I'm about to make me some food. Look at my tassel, isn't this cute? I'm about to make me some food. But anyways, another look at my hair. Nice, and I didn't get it trimmed, but it didn't really grow too much. I don't know, y'all, like, I think she kind of used too much product this time. That's why I'm not like a super big fan of it. But also, any services I get, whether it's lashes, nails, hair, I don't like it until like the next day or the next 2 days. So hopefully I like it tomorrow once I wrap it and look at it tomorrow. So that's what's going on. What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday. Yesterday I went out with my sis Olivia. We went to this place called Still Liquor Lounge. It was real packed. Your girl had like 4 shots and a mixed drink. So I'm a little hungover because I haven't drank, I think, since I graduated that weekend. So it's been like a month. Anyways, I am here at this pho place. I'm finna get me some pho. I've been craving pho. I haven't had pho in a minute, so that's what we're about to do. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this beautiful Sunday, even though I probably won't post it today, but it just feels good to get out. It's sunny. Yeah, it's just, the day's starting off good. So I'm done getting pho. I'm like semi-full. I'm not like super full, but that's okay. I'm trying to like condense my portions. So I just got like a small bowl instead of the large one, because I definitely could have tore up the large one, but then I would have been like, my stomach probably would have been hurting afterwards. But at least I'm kind of full. I'm content. I know I will be hungry in a few hours though, so I gotta figure out what I'm going to eat later. But anyways, I'm on my way to Ulta. Damn, I feel like I go to Ulta too much. I don't though. Like when I feel like vlogging, that's when I'm going to Ulta. But I'm going to Ulta because I want to smell I want to smell some perfume. I need to get another face wash. I was using the fresh brand, that face wash. I kind of forgot what's the whole name of it, but I was using that one, but it went pretty quick. Like I got it like a couple months ago, and I don't have like the tube is empty. So I think I'm not gonna re-up on that one because it went too quick for me. And like the way the bottle's set up, like the liquid just comes out too fast. So I'm like literally using a lot of face wash when I don't need that much. But I think I'm gonna get the Tula face wash. I've used that on my face before and it worked well, no complaints. I had that bottle and like it's a nice size big bottle, and I had that bottle for like 4 or 5 months. So probably just gonna get that. But anyways, that's our last stop. Or oh, and I might get some ice cream. I haven't got ice cream in a minute. So oh, and then we're back on our diet. We're eating tomorrow because I've been eating bad the last few days. I've been eating terrible, so we gotta get back on our grind. So anyways, I will catch y'all at Ulta. Bag secured. What's up, y'all? So we are back home. I had to put my ice cream in the freezer because it was like kind of liquidy and I don't want to eat my ice cream like that. So hopefully it'll freeze back up so I can eat it. But I'm about to watch the new episode of P Valley because it came back on. And then I'm also I also started this series on Hulu called The Act, where like this girl has like disabilities and stuff, and her mom basically is like poisoning her. And so she like wears a wheelchair, or she uses a wheelchair, but at night, and like supposedly she is allergic to sugar, but at night she'll get up, go eat sugar, walk around, so she don't even need her wheelchair. Like they're literally putting on an act. Well, the mom's putting on an act. The girl wants to have like this normal life, but the mom is crazy. So I'm gonna watch episode 2. It's only 1 season, so I'll probably get done with that in the next few days. From Ulta, we just got a couple things. I told you about the Tula cleanser. I've had this cleanser before, didn't disappoint me, and this was only $28. $28, and you see how big it is? And like the cleanser is very thick, so you only need a little bit and it's gonna like lather all over your face. It feels like body wash for your face though. Then I got this scrub by Tree Hut, and this one is the lemon one, and it smells literally like, ugh, it smells so good. It smells like lemon. I like the smell of lemon. I like to smell like lemons. Nothing wrong with it. And then I just got me some more Neutrogena makeup wipes. So yeah, that was it. I just needed some of my regular stuff. But yeah, y'all, that's how we finna end this Sunday. I enjoyed myself. My sis Olivia, shout out to Olivia if you're watching. I really appreciate you, sis. Thank you for the little gifts you got me. This girl got me a bottle of wine. Girl, I stay wine up when it comes to her. Like, she has bought me like maybe like, I think this is like maybe I think the 3rd bottle of wine she's bought me. And this girl know how to pick out a good bottle of wine, okay? So I still got a bottle of wine downstairs I gotta finish by Barefoot. But, and then she also got me, she just texted me, she got me a pack of cookie dough because she knows me and cookies, love them. And then what else did she get me? Oh, she got me some flowers, and she came to my house and she literally put the flowers, bought me a vase too, bought me a whole vase to put my flowers in. That's my sis. I love her. I love her. But yeah, that's how we finna end this Sunday, and I'm actually gonna end this video so I can go ahead and start editing it and have it up for Monday. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.